Hello everyone, my name is Dmitry Orudzov and you are watching the 7-step video drum school step by step. This is the third video part on swing jazz coordination. In this part, we will be discussing rhythmic patterns with hi-hat displacement. These exercises are designed for experienced drummers, so if you don't have experience, start with the first and second parts on swing. Just a reminder, you can purchase all parts of the video school on the deadrums.ru website and also sign up for individual Skype lessons with me. So all you need to do is watch how I play at a fast and slow pace and repeat after me, as well as for complete accuracy, compare it with the notes embedded in the video sequence.